Everybody, I'm Sean and welcome to Southern Audacity. If this is your first time here, thank you for coming by. I hope that you'll subscribe, like, hit the notification bell if you'd like, and watch a few of my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not a tutorial or truly showing you how I do my techniques with any of my crafts. It's more of a unboxing and product review. And I got from Amazon, I bought a box of, I think it's 63 spools of thread, embroidery thread from Simthread. I'm not familiar with the company, but I saw it on Amazon while I was shopping for other craft stuff. And I thought I'll give it a try and see how I like it. So I figured might as well just do an unboxing and a product review. So without further ado, I'm going to open this up and we'll see what's in it. And I'm going to stitch out a few of them. I'm not going to go through 63 spools of thread today, but I will use some of them so we can see how they work. Okay. Alrighty, so let me get that out of the way there, and just gonna see where it opens up at. Just put a little cut in that plastic. This is a Shenzhen Simthread Company Ltd. They're based out of China, Okay. Now, don't get on me. Yes, I do like Made in America, but as I said, I was just scrolling, looking for other craft items, and I decided to try this out. And let's see here. The lengths are, it says 550 yards and 1100 yards. So we'll see what's actually in this box. Okay, they give you a color chart, so that's cool. And it's got this 63 spools. I couldn't remember if it was 62 or 63, but they give you your color chart. And let's see here. Okay. They give you the conversions of what it would be for Madeira. Oh my goodness, I need to go to bed. But okay, that's that. What is this? Some stabilizer with their card in it. If it breaks, okay, let's see here. Just a little instructional card and some customer service information. So that's cool. And all of this thread. Now they're not all the same size, or are they? Yeah, they are, I think. They're just, some are upside down, some are not. And what else is in here? Okay, they give you some extra bobbins. Okay, so I take it they sell bobbin thread as well, because there are 2 bobbins that are full. One has white bobbin thread and this has black bobbin thread in it. So that's cool as well. Okay, you got your little thingies here. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, so 5, 6, 7 bobbins total. Alrighty, so I'll set that aside. They have some really nice colors here. So let's see here. Oh yeah, these are some nice colors. Of course, I don't have all of these colors, but what I'm gonna do, I have a 9-color design that I purchased from Designs by Juju, and I'm going to stitch it out on a towel. Oh, those 2 are pretty combinations too. If you just want to go from one thing to just something a little more subtly different. So you get a good variety of colors in this box. I mean, you've got neon orange in here. I don't know if it looks neon on camera, but it's neon. And then, I mean, you've got this almost a muted yellow. This almost looks like an evergreen. I'll have to wait until I open it to see what that is. Oh, I've been needing this color purple. It's like a lilac or lavender. Then you have a little deeper purple there. Then you have even a darker purple. 4 different shades of purple that I'm seeing so far. This is more on the blue scale. But I'm kind of impressed with these colors. Got some reds. Of course, you can never have too many reds. And the white, of course. Okay, so you get a lot of nice colors with this box of thread. I'm impressed with it, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I can say so far. So the truth is in the stitching. So I am gonna pick out what colors I'm gonna use for this 9-color design. I'm just gonna stitch it out onto a towel, and we'll see how it actually stitches out and how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna start with this little spool of yellow. And like I said, I'm not going to go through the whole process of how I actually do every single step of this, simply because I want to just test the thread out and see how the thread actually handles. Now, I do want to let y'all know I'm starting with a new sharp needle, a 7511 sharp, and I also have a full bobbin of 90 weight bobbin thread. Okay, so we'll start stitching this and see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so this is all stitched out, and for the most part I do like this thread. Now I'll tell you, when you look at this particular stitch out, I could tell that my tension was off, and I did run out of bobbin thread when I got to the end of the S. So when I took the old bobbin out, I realized it was bent. So I had to put a new bobbin in, and the tension seemed good there. But at the bottom here where it was stitching out the arrows, I don't know if you could tell on the video, but I could tell up close that the tension was definitely off. But the thread itself, very well. These are the 9 colors that I use. I use number 513. I use number 807. I use number 019. And I use number 126. and then number 817, number 205, that's that yellow. Then I use number 869, number 808, and number 613. Those are the 9 colors that I've used so far out of this box. I did not have a single thread break. I had no problems with the thread at all. So overall, I'm going to give Simthread an A because I'm okay with it, and I will be going online and buying another box so that I can have, just because there are so many colors in there. There are colors that I would have never imagined buying, and so many different colors of blue. So what I will do, just in case you're interested in finding this on Amazon and trying it out yourself, I'll leave the links in the description box so that you can check it out yourself. And until then, I'll see you. Take care of yourselves. All right.